Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in Teardown. Today we're gonna explode my 4 little friends up there.
Kapag inverter kasi, kung tutusin, depende pa rin sa paggamit. Kunyari, ganito, lagay ka ng 1.5. Ngayon,
You okay, but
sa 1987,
you tell me not all of you are blind. Okay, they're all black. It's actually making me more dark. Black robots look better than me. No, why is my screen not working?
Alin?
Why is my screen not working?
Let's start. Let's start na.
Woo!
kapag sinet mo siya sa 16, hindi
Move out of the way!
sa Pilipinas yun. Kasi ang ideal temperature natin is 24-25. Temperature 25 sa labas.
Get over here!
Yung ideal temperature natin dito. Kasi pag nilagay mo siya sa 16, direct yung ano yun. Ngayon, nagpupunso mo.
I actually went live for you.
Pag gano'n na siya nakalagay. Kaya pinaraan sa talaga.
Today we're gonna be playing Danny's World, and we're gonna do a solo run. As of always, we're gonna be Yata.
Kasi di ba ang inverter kapag kumari
Okay, let's start with this one. As you can see, I got the new, let's get for Yata. To be honest, I think I'm gonna use Let's do it. A long time
walk away from this.
Why is it turning blurry in the back?
I would enjoy this
So,
if I even could do it.
okay. Robertina, Zaza, Libertina, Rocketina. I'm just gonna go fishing. Will he be big boy here? Okay. Okay, we're just gonna get my truck for getting fish. It looks so open up like that, and you y'all follow me. It's gonna be this air freshener for you, and when you shoot it, something good will happen. Totally, like look, see, it does something so good, right? It's called an explosion. Right now, we have to go in the car. Make sure they do not see me. It's a good thing they did not even see me. There it is. Let's go bit of. Never mind. Let's not go off road. No! Why did I damage it? You're such a close. You should get extra speed. She goes so fast. I gotta turn up my volume.
As much as possible, mag-set up tayo ng... Ayun guys, another day, another chance na nandito tayo sa client natin, si Rio from Palawan. So, papakamit siya ng
Let's actually bring
gagamitin natin kasi is electric inverter.
the kitty.
Inverter is pinagsama ko.
You know what? Just keep it here. So I can bring you up.
Natin, yun yung mga appliances natin na pwede i-mount na yung wall plate naman, tatakbo lang sila basta may kunin. Okay, wala yung sa okay, bakit tayo wala yung tawag
This is
dyan?
right when he works with
Sabihin na po, yung mga nasa outlet side natin, yun yung buhay ng battery na si case mag-problem natin, ano yung tarapon mag-power supply, yun yung may settings namin. Pero
They don't know where I am. They don't know where I am.
for example, kung 6 kilowatts ito, pag pinasok natin lahat ng aircon sa off-grid side o yung off side ng alligator, then there's a
You.
chance na overall
They can just all hang out anyways.
sa vacuum cleaner at tumatak pa lang ng aircon. So, mas
You know what
malakas
happened?
yung
Research from
na
Instagram down. We have to remove them.
sabog pag-ulo, ang mangyayari natin is mamamatay yung output niya. Masulit kayo ng kurente, pero sa link lang kasi meron tayong for bypass na ida-direct yung ray paleko-paleko kasi dito. So, papasok ka dun sa okay lang.
Please step
Maganda
on.
ano yun.
And clutch, please. Oh, wait, what?
Yes, so ang mangyayari dito, magse-separate tayo sa isa na airport, ilalagay natin sa grid side. Kasi yung grid side natin, yun yung on-grid doon.
No!
Awas nito. So,
Yeah. They definitely did not even see me.
So that is 24,000.
I have a falling apart truck, which is
Divide
fine.
natin sa 1,000, that is 24.48 per car. Malaki na siya kasi ang bill mo na 6,000 divided by 14, divided by 13. Ang ginagamit mo ng actual is 14. So 14 na ang ginagamit mo, pero kaya natin dyan.
Okay, go. That's right. Go there.
So para natin siya. Sa 6 kilowatt mo para sa 6 kilowatt.
Finally drive in
probably
peace.
maliit na lang talaga. 100, 200, 300. Hindi lang ano eh. Hindi lang. Sa totoo lang guys, ang
One.
ng mga tagal-Palawan, hindi lang.
Let's actually remove the bumper. Get out. The car looks much better without the bumper. Wait, it actually doesn't look better without the bumper.
No.
The rest of us
Hello guys, let's watch this.
I really. Everyone thinks that this is nice. Here, this is where we have to go down from. Look back. When he's cooling down, when he's cooling down, he looks like that. Today Friday, okay, we made a ramp.
Sorry. 1 second. Sorry. You want to raise for $100? Yeah. What do you want?
Let my truck even go.
Yeah, you have my fit on? Electrician ka na, pero hindi ka pa tumatanggap ng solar installation jobs. Wala kang tumataas ang demand sa solar. Tumataas din ang kita ng mga nakaspecialize dito. Isang install lang, bayad agad.
Come on.
Gusto pumasok sa
We need to make it go the Professors.
Have you seen that video of LeBron where he's playing on the floor and then there's somebody behind him and it literally looks like the devil that he made a deal with? I'm that guy. So that guy, he's like a big sportsman. Yeah. So he goes to
What's
like
that called?
NBA game, right? Let's even think like he is the person.
Cheap
Smart thinking, well.
Have you seen that video? This is
Wrong.
There, I can see it much better now.
So, etong nilalagyan ni Engineer Joshua.
Yes.
So, ito nangyayari sa...
We're gonna collect some fish. I forgot to enable the mod. Come on.
You know, dadaan yan dito guys. So ito yung requirements ni Meralco, INC5 pag mag-benefit na rin. So, naka-expose dapat to. So dadaan yan dyan. Papunta sa inverter side natin. Tapos ito natin pinadaan yung sa ilalim.
Let's see how the fish mod works in my picture.
Glove is here!
Naka-offset niya. Kasi mo.
There's no fish. Here we go, restarting.
Mr. Palmer
Let's actually not be in Villa Gordon for now. I wanna go and have a day off Villa Gordon. Let's have a time with my expansion.
Run. Run. Get it out with me. One heart. I am a Burger King bear. Go. Don't know why I did that. Also that. Damn, so why did I just waste stuff on my tape?
Whoa, there's fish getting dried up on the shore. Oh, being dried already. I'll help you. There you go. I'm saving the fish's life. Oh, this one's also stuck. It's gonna be risky. Yes. Oh, he died. Get out. I do not allow dead fish here. Oh! Oh, blueberry!
I'm out of stamina.
No!
No, super no.
Another blueberry! We're getting all dried up here. We need to
Die!
We need to remove this.
I died.
Remove it. I'm saving the fish.
I get this bitch right now. Hey guys. Big water. We're not gonna do solo mode. We are gonna do.
No, we died. Whoa! I saw something jump. No! You're gonna be in the water. An anglerfish? Yep, that's good. Ah!
Turn.
Whoa,
Load it
a
in.
big boy. Well, this might naturally. He's stuck. We have to remove the wood. Be free. I will cook you. I think I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna make you in my fishing economy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get over here. It's a rare fish. So I'm not gonna let you go. There's some docks here, so. Oh wait, you pissed him dead. Okay, he's dead. What's this? What's that? Is that a fish exhibit something?
This is taking way too long, guys.
We need something that can be open. Let's get this. What's gonna be our fishing boat? This luxury
On
one.
this track.
This luxury boat. Hold on, we can go up to it. I feel bad for the fish, but I have to get them. I need food. I am lagging. If I'm lagging, it's supposed to be 60, but I'm lagging.
Close mo. Tapos ka na ba? Record?
No, I'm still recording.
Baka full na yung ano mo, computer mo.
There. Let's get this box ready. There. I have to test out something. What happens if a crane is completely wrecked, but can it still hook onto something? Only one way to find out. guys. Nagulat din ako. Ah! It works. Now I just need to get this entire piece into my. Let's try crane big. How can I do this? How can I make like a hook? Where I can make.
Babuhin ko na kayo. Walang nakarinig ng doorbell.
Ay, wala.
Yan,
Hintay ko nga eh.
I'm recording.
Did you hear the doorbell? Baka nila-press na mo din.
I died.
Ikaw nga namin eh.
Yes, that's it.
Bukas.
Let's wrap this episode up. I'll return next time. Bye, everyone.
I have a great idea. What if I just get a box like this, throw it in the ocean, and immediately pull it back up? Who's insane? Okay, so let's get a cable. I need it to be really long though, so I'm gonna put it up here. Since I have an infinite cable mod,
I'm gonna upload another crane
I
now.
can make it extremely long. But let's. Oh, wait, we need it to be sinkable. We need to make our own box, but that's sinkable. Let's get metal. Let's just make a box. Here's, I have an idea. Like that big. Like that. Okay, this song is scary. That. It's more hyping.
Nag-lunch na. Hindi pa lang sa nanay.
Nanay, I'm gonna catch fish.
Doon sabi na talaga.
No, I we need to find out an idea. We need the box. Where's the box? Look at that. There's so much marine life. There's even a pike there on the very corner.
I'm done doing the video now.
Saan na? Saan yung video mo? Saan yung nakalagay yun? Hanggang
Okay,
sinabi ko
bye.
na sa'yo kung saan
See
nakalagay.
you on my third video.
Sa desk